Oh my god. It's sweet and tangy of faux spicy.
What?
Oh my god, a faux spicy.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Brandy. Today I'm going to prank Isabella. She thinks that we're going to be trying Oreos from around the world when really I put disgusting things in her Oreos. Like hot sauce, soy sauce, pickle juice, and horseradish. So let's get ready to laugh at Isabella. She's coming.
Hello! Or should I say Oreo? My name's Isabella and I'm here at Pocket.watch Studios with Brandy. Guess what we're going to be doing today? Not only are we going to be trying Oreos, we're going to be trying Oreos from all around the world. This is called International Oreos. Ooh, I only know how to say it in one other language. We can work on it.
Should we get started?
Yes.
So the first Oreo we're going to try is from Jamaica.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
And I believe it's a thin Oreo.
Yeah, it's half.
Ready?
Yes.
Cheers. It's a very subtle hint of coconut.
Yeah. It's not like
It's not like coconut shampoo where you just taste all of it. It's good. Brandy, I'm really excited about this next one because this Oreo is tamarindo flavor. You know snap peas?
Okay, the vegetable.
So
yeah.
it looks like that, but it's like brown, and then you open it, and it's like this color on the inside. It's like a sweet and sour. So let's see what this Oreo tastes like. Cheers. Oh, wow. Oh my god. It's sweet and tangy of faux spicy.
What?
Oh my god, a faux spicy. Oh, it's so spicy! Oh. That's disgusting, Brandy. Did you like that? What's next, Brandy?
Okay, so our next Oreo is a lemon mud cake.
Where's this one from?
From Sweden. Okay, let's try it.
Bit bucket. Amazing. Next. What's next?
Alrighty, the next Oreo we're gonna try is birthday cake surprise from Australia.
Matzo butter crunch from Israel.
Okay, let's try. Did you hate it? Babka stuff from Poland.
That was disgusting! It's literally like putting beans on an Oreo. Last one.
Okay, so this is our last Oreo, and it is a skufuka filling from Iceland.
The whole time we were filming, because you were pranked, and there were weird things in your Oreos, and not mine.
Wait. Wait.
You got pranked!
You put disgusting things in my Oreos on purpose?
It's because we're friends! Best friends, like you said. Come on. Hey.
Why is it closed? I can't even leave!
If you liked this video and you want to see me prank Isabella some more, let me know down in the comments. And be sure to like, subscribe. I'm Brandy. Bye.